Hey there, homemakers! Ever had a moldy surprise in your dishwasher? Well, cleaning it without chemicals is way easier and cheaper than you'd think. Grab that cheap bottle of vinegar from your pantry. It's about to work wonders. Pour about a cup of vinegar into a dishwasher-safe bowl. This affordable, non-toxic ingredient will naturally banish that mold. Next, meet another cheap champion, baking soda. Ready to give mold the boot. Generously sprinkle baking soda on the moldy spots. It'll scrub and disinfect at the same time. Place the bowl on the top rack, kick off a hot water cycle, and watch nature work its magic. The vinegar disinfects while the baking soda gets to work removing the mold. Open up to a mold-free site. All achieved with natural, cheap ingredients right from home. With just a few affordable household items, mold doesn't stand a chance. Stay naturally clean out there.